Wana chakula.
Kabisa.
Kama zangu kamulu. Nimeinuka lakini.
Kama tulipanda place kubwa. Ndio tulikuwa kizani zimesimama.
Amaroni. Ndio ameniambia bado angalia nyumba ni kubwa.
Nabu muulize kama yeye mwenyewe ameamini.
Unataka kama nyumba wapi? Acha tupande.
Fike tu.
Si hapo mbele.
Kwa rent yako itakuwa.
Itakuwa ndogo.
Lazima uangalie mambo ya ile tanka.
Tanki ya maji.
Tanki mlikuwa mnaeka wapi?
Initially ilikuwa hapa.
Kipango
kwa sababu ya flow.
Sasa hizi ni 3 times zilikuwa hapa.
Nini?
Zilikuwa hapa, zilikuwa 1200.
Ilikuwa 1200, sasa ni kama 3 times.
Hizo ni mingi.
Hiyo ni mingi? Hii ni mti gani?
Mama alitupandia sijui ni gani ya.
Sababu sasa jangara itawekwa pale, sawa? Hii kimalizi kwa. Balance kama itaongeza sita ikaa
pale.
Ikiwekwa katikati.
Tunataka kwa sababu ya gravity. Maji kuteremka. Unakumbuka?
Na pia tinga supply.
Na turning point ya gari zikikuja kuzunguka. Kuleta material pia. Wala naona iko na maharagwe.
Sisi imekuwa kidogo.
Ni kwa sababu ballast haitumiki, si ndio? Na hapa ni kukoroga. Hapa hii area hii. Kila kitu kimefanyika mengi iko slashed. Kwa
Naona hapa. Kukua slashed.
Naona hapa. Gari ikienda hivi labda kuja wa range. Area itakuwa sawa hivi.
Itakuwa enough.
Mpaka hapa. Mimi nao kutoka hapa pale. Kuja mpaka hapa. Iko pale lilaliwa, sijui utatoka namna gani.
Kama zipangwe hapa, yenye itabaki zipelekwe pale.
Maybe according to space, wanaweza determine kama wataweka. Tunakumbuka akisema 10, 12. Kuna kazi.
Kwa lori iko?
Ile ubaya ni katukuje tu hii ndio mko yangu. Hii gari ilikuwa inaingia chini.
Kimebeba. Iko na mwiba hata.
Ile kitu itafanya.
Imeshika hapo kwa.
Hii gari lori inaweza pita juu.
Lori inakaa juu.
Because hapa vile itakuwa lori itaenda hivi. Alafu ilitani hivi kuja hivi. Lakini hii itakuwa challenge.
Kwa maana iko juu.
Unachukua panga.
Kama shoka. Unaweza katia wapi? Hapa. Kama ingekuwa imeingia chini kama hivi. Kwa sawa. Panga kama shoka. Inaweza ni sababisha mguu ya gari. Yaani ina kitu tunaona. And then the goodness of this, tukitoa hii hii tuna create space hapo hivi. Unakumbuka?
Unatoa.
Hiyo kichomoa. Unakuja kwa hivyo ndio ile kitu iko risk ni hii tu. Hiyo mtu.
Inaweza ichonga.
Unajua ni leo?
Saizi tu. Saizi.
Ni usiku. Sasa kazi lazima ifanyike mchana.
Kuna slasher? Wale watu wakupatia serikali walienda.
Tulikuwa tunamuulizia jana, alipotea tu mara moja.
Ana alikuwa threatened. Watu hapa si wazuri. Alikuwa threatened. Nataka pale slash na hapa chini kiasi.
Nitafanya hivyo.
Uta slash? Unataka ku slash?
Kama nitajulia hapa.
Na wewe chukua shoka. Chukua shoka. Hata nilikuwa nimesahau hii tani iko hivi. Lakini ile mtu ndio mbaya kwa sababu ya mguu. Inaweza haribu mguu.
Sure.
Na ni usiku yake.
And then hapo kwa sababu mwenye gari atakuwa anaofia kiasi.
Na places. Tumeanza kujaa tena. Tumeanza kujaa tena.
Baba Romi.
Sasa kumwaga hiyo mawe. And then kama kuna changarao. Na chuma. Then the last one will be miti, labor, maybe. Ile inaendelea kwa sababu unaona hizi kanyumba ni kadogo. Ile inaendelea kisambo hivi karibu. Sasa hapo ndio itajulikana ballast itaongezwa kiasi gani. At the same time labda kutakuwa njia zimefunguka. Tumlete tu roli moja.
Mara moja.
Hapo ukiingia roli moja. Hata mambo ya finishing zingine. Amuka hawahi kufunua ni ballast.
Bado kuna fence.
Especially homestead.
Utakula.
Lakini uzuri wa mjengo ni moja. What you did, you never go back. That is a beauty. Mimi naangalianga kamuli, angalia hivi nasema acha roho yangu ipumzike.
Mtu hawezi elewa.
Leo inakaa kubwa.
Inakaa kubwa.
Wakianza warning, naona wengine wanaweka karatasi hapo. I am not for the idea. Kwangu waliweka. Lakini hii karatasi ni kama inazuia the bonding ya ukuta.
Na chini.
No, just commonly reasoning. Mawe inafaa kutoka kwa slab. Kwa hivyo ukiweka hiyo karatasi hapo, if kama kungekuwa na kitu isukume hii nyumba, foundation ingabaki. No, commonly reasoning. Kwa sababu hakuna bonding. Na hii karatasi it will never allow that bonding. Mungu jipina wazungu ama ni wazungu. Karatasi hapa, naweka karatasi nyingine hapa. Inamaanisha ukishift hiyo nyumba, hii slab inaweza ngolewa pekee. After all, this one imecover each and everywhere.
Kila mahali.
Hakuna link ya foundation na the slab. Haya, alafu kuharibu mambo, wakati wa hapa mimi ndio niweka hizo. Wakati ukifika hapa walling, sasa walling iko pekee kabisa, it's not linked to the foundation. Hata afadhali hii iwe linked, hiyo uzito wa nyumba ifanye this one cannot lift. Tuko pamoja. Kwa hivyo mambo ya karatasi. Na hata wale ndio waliniambia, akaniambia hakuna maana ya hiyo karatasi.
Nakumbuka.
Inaleta a lot of bonding. Na hapa watu wamewaheshimu. Kuna mahali kingine kuna watu wanaingiaga tu anagonga hizi. Sifunjike. Usikie hivyo.
Nimepea inashangaa hata.
Hii sijui ni nini ilikuwa wapi kile. Mimi nilichukua karatasi nikaweka. Sijui kamba ya mbuzi ama sababu ile ndani.
Kama kuna vile iko interior pia.
Na ile vitu iko hapa chini sio kutekea.
The medals.
Ile karatasi ni kama kamepotea.
But pole ni kama kanafunika.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My lovely name is Holatali Habi, and today I want to take you around our farm. So I'm here with my personal person, and I would like him to introduce himself before we start. Personal person.
Hello guys, my name is Arnold. Thank you for sticking by. Thank you for coming to watch this video. My name is Arnold. I did introduce. And come with us.
Okay, let's go. So before we get there, it's been a rainy season, so there's lots of grass. I'm even scared of walking here.
You're scared of snakes?
Yeah, I'm scared of animals, not only snakes, animals. Let me try and show. Because I don't know if it will be possible to see. See, there's lots of grass.
We planted, but the rain seems like the rains have disappointed us, because as you can see, here we have beans. We planted beans, but the rains have not been here.
Is it even clear?
Yes. Can get closer. Can come closer.
All our beans are turning yellow. All the way down there.
So we planted beans, but they have not done so well.
Yeah, they've not done so well.
They're drying up. But we hear that we will not
be able to get a good harvest.
Yes. But the ones which are here, at least tutakosa kukula.
Tutapata just a little bit to carry home for the first time.
It's disappointing, given the amount of effort we kept to play.
Man, we even got blisters. We've never done this before.
The first time.
There's a first time to everything.
Yeah, but I will say that maybe for a first time, it's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad, and I guess maybe if the rains were
good. But you can remember we also planted late.
We planted late, but the rains were not there anyway.
One thing I keep thinking. If you have water, we'll be able to harvest a lot.
Yeah. So where do we get the water?
I think we can maybe dig a well. We'll do a piping system to our farm. So that we may be planting all year round.
But that seems like it will take a long time.
It will take some time, but
time and a lot of money.
But I just think you should just start the vision.
Okay. So guys, our beans have turned yellow, and apparently we've been told that there is no hope for this, but the little that we'll get out of it, I think we'll just be grateful. And also, I don't know if we'll be able to get the video of when we were farming.
Hallelujah.
This is fun.
Imekaribia.
I think we did put in a lot of effort, and yes, we did learn something, especially I did learn something for the first time.
Muluya hajaishika jembe. Acha nilete mbolea sasa.
And I'm proud that I did it. yeah, so the next time or the next season I'll be ready and prepared for this.
And we hope that God will provide rain.
Yeah, we hope that there'll be an abundance and surplus of the rains.
So the maize, you can see the maize.
So we also have maize. I don't know if it will be clear from here.
I think we just go up. So there's nothing much to show down here.
Yeah.
At least the maize are trying. But if it does not rain anytime soon, they may dry.
We'll just call it a season.
Yes.
But we're just hopeful. Even the way it reached this place, at first we were so discouraged, but at least there's some hope.
You can see the
of getting something.
The maize cobs. Are they called the maize cobs?
And they're big. I didn't know the word.
How many are they?
You're supposed to touch when they're young.
No problem.
There's no problem.
It's not like eggs. It's not
Wow,
matter.
I'm even surprised.
And they're tall.
Yeah, they're so tall. Let me stand this way. I don't know if you'll be able to see.
My height.
They're not that bad.
But we hope that we'll get at least one rainfall.
So we just did this with our own hands. We didn't even employ anyone to do the farming for us. And I know you might see like it's not
Something big.
something big, but it was so big for us. And yeah, I can't wait for my first harvest.
You'll get something.
Yeah, I'll get something.
There is hope. Guess
I even wish. What did you say?
I guess the worst thing in life is to lose hope.
Oh yeah, there's always next time, next season. And I guess there are always seasons where there's surplus of harvest. So it always depends.
Everything must balance.
Yeah, sometimes God blesses you with too much rain. Sometimes it's just a little, but in all, we are grateful. Yeah, so I wanted to say, I just wish that we did maize.
Only.
Yeah, instead of maize and beans, but again I say we're just thankful for whatever we will get. Yeah, I know it will go a long way.
Let me show you something you've never seen.
Okay.
There's a tree here.
There's a tree. Wow.
I believe this is an avocado tree.
Avocado.
Yes, Mom planted it for us.
When did you get it? Or it was here?
No, it was just planted.
I don't know if I'm getting the right angle from this place.
An avocado tree, but she.
Oh.
I asked her why she planted it in the middle of the
farm.
But you know there are goats. So the goats, if you plant at the edge, the goats are going to eat.
Oh.
But if you plant in the middle, they won't eat.
And I've seen something here. I don't know if it's a cassava or what.
Which one?
That one next to the maize.
Yes.
It's a cassava. Wow.
Mom also planted it for us.
Hey! I'm so excited. Especially after having worked so hard and waiting to reap and then actually getting something out of that. I know it's just amazing.
Yeah, it's good.
And also eating from your own bare hands.
You didn't pay anyone.
Didn't pay anyone.
You did everything on your own.
Guys, just look at how green this place is.
If you were to harvest, I guess we would have a good harvest. But for the first timer,
it's good. And especially in a place that is as dry as this.
Yes.
Yep.
But we pray that someday you're going to have water. Because if you have water, you're a rich person around this place.
Yeah.
You can sell water. Can I show you the pumpkin?
But I've heard that you're among some of those who've tried because others actually didn't get anything.
Yes.
Wow, and this place is so sandy.
Mom was saying that the cassava, the sweet potatoes can do well around this area.
You know what this is?
I don't.
But it's just a weed.
Maybe it's a weed. Mom was saying this is a pumpkin.
Oh wow, guys! Another pumpkin. Yeah, it's a pumpkin.
We hope that it will survive.
Of course it will.
There's a second one here.
Where?
This one?
Oh. And where was I even asking? And they're here.
And they're growing well, yeah?
Yeah.
There's a bad one here. And
I think so long as it picks and you start seeing the leaves, it will be good to go.
It's this one.
And what about this one?
And this one too.
Wow. Once they pick,
You want to see more?
I know we'll have a lot to eat. Even this one.
This one's a pumpkin too.
This one looks like a pumpkin, and I think the small one too.
Okay.
Wow.
How lucky.
And there was a time you were saying that they were not growing.
There's this one too.
Chakula malenge.
And there's this one.
Ni mboga ama ni matunda ama yote.
There are many.
Alafu I've realized this sandy area, the maize is not doing so well. I don't know if you've realized.
I guess this area we can try doing something different. Apart from the maize.
Kama kuna mtu anajua anything else you can do
around the sandy area, you can share with us. We'll try it out.
Picha zangu zinakaa hivyo. So this is the soil texture around this place.
Very sandy.
It's very sandy. And you can see the maize around here is kind of stunted, and we planted them on the same day. So yeah, this is it. This is it, guys.
So come we share with you some of the fruits we enjoy around this area.
So that is the end of our farm.
Yes, these other ones are going to another person's farm.
We are intruding in someone else's farm.
Yes. We hope that one day we are going to put fence around this area. To separate the two farms.
Oh yeah. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Now come here to base.
I think the sun is too hot on this side, so maybe I should do this. You can see mango trees over there.
Yeah, there is one there, but I'll show you later.
Yeah, I can see it.
Mom was saying that one will get ready during late March.
Oh, okay. I know nothing about mangoes, but eating.
You should plant yours.
I will. Now I'm gaining the interest. First, I never had interest in such things as farming. But after I had my first experience,
did you enjoy the entire farming process?
I didn't enjoy.
Why?
I got blisters. I was suffering. But the thing is, I hadn't planned fully for it. So we couldn't even get anyone to do it for us, and we had a very short period
to do everything at once.
Yeah.
But we hope that the next time we're going to do this, it's going to be well prepared. And you're going to harvest a lot. So here are the mangoes.
Oh, you show them that tree. This one.
This is the tree. We have that tree.
That apple mango.
That tree.
And this one.
This tree. That tree.
And many others.
And many others.
The others are for small mango. This one is for apple mango.
So come I show you a closer look.
Wow. It was carried.
Mebeba.
Translation. Mebeba.
It was carried on.
It was carried.
But then I was to come with a pipe.
Come and look at this. Wow. If you could just.
And there were mangoes.
Wow. They look good.
There are
it's all over the tree, yeah. Also, if you want mangoes, you can come for them in bulk.
Do you sell?
They're not mine, but they can be sold if you want in bulk. Yes. You come with your pickup.
This is another tree.
Yeah, this is another one. And they're really sweet, by the way. Here are some that fall down.
Spoiled.
Yeah. Do these seeds grow as they fall down?
Yes,
or
yes.
After many years?
Well, with time, when if you come around this place, you'll get the seedlings. So there won't be need.
So this one is for the small mangoes?
The small mangoes, but you can see it does not have a lot.
Or maybe we go to the other one. Should we go to the front? Or we don't?
Okay, let's go so that we may go and take the slasher. We do this thing, you know. There's no time.
Okay. Yeah, this one has.
And guys, we are using.
This is an apple mango. I've seen some.
Okay.
The top.
And guys, we are using our GoPro.
These are the small mangoes.
The tiny mangoes.
Every morning you have to come here and check if the fruit is down.
You come and collect. Currently, you can't see any because Olata collected all of them. Okay, that's it guys for today. That's it for today.
There's another.
Oh, I'm being reminded there's another one. Yeah.
And this other.
And this other.
I love the color that this one gives. The reddish. And then when it ripens, it becomes reddish yellow.
We are happy today.
So for us, don't us to spend a lot of money buying mangoes. Come and satisfy our quench our thirst.
Actually, we'll plant more on our farm.
But by the time they grow,
No, they will grow faster. If you have water, provided you have water, they will grow.
water is like. Say hi.
How are you, Joshua?
Taki kujiangalia.
Wamenama.
Maromi.
Melala.
Amelala. Mwakatuka mgongo. Moja.
So here we're doing some preparation of this space so that we can, so that when the stones are brought, they'll be placed here. Don't think we have much space, but we'll just manage what we have.
This is what we have.
Yeah.
Do you know how to slash?
No, I never went to boarding school, so I have no idea.
Boarding school and slashing, how do they look?
I don't know. I remember my sister went to boarding school.
And she knows how to slash?
And a slasher, I don't know if she knows how to. And a slasher was one of the requirements. So, it's either you're being punished. And
other punishment?
Yeah, or I don't know what else they use it for.
For those who do agriculture, they...
But then she used to do agriculture. Wow.
This blue person.
That's why I was asking if you'll manage.
Let's try.
Because yeah, I don't know if I can help you, but I will try my best to record you.
Record me. Is that helping me?
This is helping you. It's me capturing this moment for you. Yes.
You should also come and capture you. It's the first time to everything.
Yes, it's the first time. After all the business I got when farming.
Don't give up. It's just the first trial. Does that mean that you won't? Oh. You're just laughing. Does that mean that simply because you got blister soil, you are doing farming, you won't?
No, I'll come more prepared next time.
Or you're going to pay some?
Maybe I'll find some gloves.
Gloves?
Or maybe I'll add some workforce.
Just say that you're going to pay somebody.
Not really paying somebody. I think the process is also fun. Yeah, because you get to
experience.
Yeah, to experience it. And you learn a lot of things along the way. Hey, you're a pro.
This thing ain't big. But you get tired so fast.
Yeah, I'm even scared. You're going to ask me with grass. Hey?
You're scared of grass? Even not...
You know you can hit me with anything that's down there.
No,
not only the grass.
I can't. Remind you.
I mind you too.
Wow, YouTuber. You should pay me.
I will pay you.
How?
Don't worry. That is between you and I.
Okay. Okay, boss.
I'll pay you. Just do your work faithfully. Let me record you. Relax.
Am I slashing well?
I guess so. I don't know. I don't have experience. But so long as they're flying here and there, I think you're doing a great job. Hadi lefty.
Something with both hands. Because with one hand I'll get tired.
Why didn't we get the rake?
The rake.
It's called a rake, yeah.
It's not need because they will dry.
Oh, but when will they dry if you're placing the stones here?
No, I don't think there's a problem. This grass is too long.
And I'm trying to follow you. Oh, and I hear stories about grass. I'm trying to follow you and you seem to be so far. There's this story that a friend used to tell us when we were young, when we were in primary school. He used to say that in construction sites,
Yes.
Where you have stones placed for a long period of time, you might find animals.
Oh yes, like snakes.
And I even feel.
But here you're safe.
How do you know I'm safe?
As long as you're with me, you're safe. I won't run.
Yes.
Like you ran and left to me.
Are you sure?
Somebody left me.
Where did I leave you?
There's a time we were together. Then something happened and you ran, you left me behind.
Where?
Yes.
No, I can't do that.
Seems like you forgot. You've forgotten. How do you find it?
A few moments later. Oh, you're almost done. You're almost there.
Do you want to try?
No thanks.
You don't want to suffer?
Mimi ni baby girl. Hi, kwa nini niteseke?
Okay, baby girl.
And you are here.
Let me suffer on your behalf.
Please do. Mama, Yesu alikufa kwa ajili yetu.
But come to my rescue when you see me.
Huwezi umia kama niko hapa.
Unasema katika vizuri?
Naona unazini vizuri. Iko sharp?
Iko sharp.
I'm even scared. Hai, si umemaliza? Utaki hapo?
Si kupiga picha pekee tunajua.
You guys got skills. Unaweza ndikwa hii kazi. Let me go. Haunitaki mazuri.
Nakutakia bebe. Si we are done now?
Yes.
Ama kuna place ingine?
Hapo.
Justani kama pazi zitakufika huko.
Twende basi, achana nayo. Mama tu.
Nilikuwa nataka kupeleka kwa mto. Sika madame tu.
Thank you for staying tuned. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.